Welcome to the first episode of Whitetail Passion Outdoors. I'm your host, Ahnen, and here I'm gearing up for opening weekend of the 2018 rifle season here in Wisconsin. Just got done with wrestling practice, so I'm showered up here, and I'm going to load up all the gear in the truck and head down to my grandma's for deer camp. Thank you, sir. Mentioned dropping off his camera arm for me. Good luck in the morning, man.
You too, big cat.
See you later.
See ya.
As you can see, we got some snow on the ground already. That should make the morning pretty dang good.
So we're heading out to the stand now. It's open morning, 2018 here in Wisconsin. It's 31 degrees. Perfect wind for my stand this morning. So we're real excited to get in the stand and kick this gun season off. So I'll catch you guys here in a little bit. Hopefully we can get something on the ground. Those two does come through, and I'm pretty sure I just pounded the one. She was going down hard. Well, she's going down the ditch, so it's pretty. I mean, that never gets old. It was awesome. We came right in, stopped right behind that one doe that I shot was standing right behind the sapling there, but I'm pretty sure I drilled her. So we're gonna get down here. Look for blood here, so we'll check in with you guys when we get down. Probably keep on hunting here for a little while at least. Well guys, it's been about 2 hours since I shot that doe. I got down probably an hour ago to look for blood. I found some blood but not a ton, so I didn't want to go in after and jump her or something, so I just decided to come up in the stand and continue to hunt. I'm pretty dang sure I made a really good shot on her, so I'm pretty sure she's just over the hill a little ways. So we're gonna give her a little more time and continue to hunt here, and then once my dad and brother come over, we'll go try to find her. So
what we have here is there's 3 properties that meet right together. There's a fence line right there, there's a fence line down that way, there's a fence line that comes down the hill that over there, and a lot of times in the morning deer like to cross through here, hop the fence, and there's a ditch that runs all the way down in front of my stand. They like to use that ditch to travel to and from their bedding areas. There's a bedding area up on top of the hill there. there's a bedding area over to my right that way. And there's a field, a cornfield right behind me. So a lot of times they come through here to go feed up in that cornfield, or they go to their bedding areas. It's kind of a nice intersection here for those deer for me to pick them off, going to and from their bedding areas.
Wyatt and my dad helped me come find her, and we found her. She's over here, just down this trail a little ways.
Did you have a baby?
No.
No, it's dead.
Here?
Yeah. Where'd you hit her?
Oh, I hit her good.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty big doe, isn't it?
Fat.
Well, we finally found it. It wasn't that far of a track job after we first found blood. She's a nice big mature doe, for sure, for my land, and I hit her good. But yeah, she should put some nice meat in the freezer, and this deer's kind of special just because it's my first deer since my grandpa passed away. So, and I got to honor him this morning by shooting it out of his stand. So it's a nice feeling. Definitely a memorable deer for sure.
Well, just got some lunch. Now we're gonna head out and sit for the afternoon on a different stand. So guess we'll see how it goes, and I'll check in with you guys when we get in there. Not only is it a morning stand or an afternoon stand, but both, which is really nice. And over to my right, where those deer came through a bed, about 100 yards up there, and they like to use this ditch down in here. I can show you guys in this hillside to travel from here to and from their beds to the field out here to feed. There's a field on the other side of this hillside where they like to feed also. They also, and then in the afternoon, they come out in that field to feed, where they come on this side of the hillside where I'm sitting to go back to their bedding area.
Smoked her. Yes. She's gonna go down. She just went down in the edge of the woods. There's other deer in the field still, so that's why I'm being quiet. There are 4 other does with her. But God, that never gets old. She just came out and started feeding on that bale, and I pounded her. But it's 2 deer on the weekend, baby. 2 deer. Let's go. Whitetail Passion Outdoors. Let's go.
Well, found the second doe. Probably, how many yards do you think it went? Probably 75 yards from where I shot her in the field. Another nice doe. So, we're going to get her dragged out and gutted up. Well, we got her up to the farm, over by some lights so you guys can see her better. It was a little tough gutting her in the dark. Had to do it quick, get her out. Second doe on the day. Saturday opening gun season, obviously, and here in Wisconsin, and should be some good meat in the freezer, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. Really memorable day. Both of these deer that I shot today are definitely in my for my grandpa up in heaven. So if you guys enjoyed, and catch you on another episode of Whitetail Passion Outdoors.